My people, welcome back to another video. I have the absolute sandwich that you're gonna love, but first let me just big up everybody, viewers, subscribers, well wishers. And guess what, I have seen some new subscribers. I just want to say welcome to Stir Taste Adjust. I am Risa. But guys, with that said, take a look at this. It looks good, don't it? Looks like a ship, but it's actually the ultimate tuna melt sandwich, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. Guys, I use some ingredients that just marries well together, and you're going to love this one, especially if you love tuna. This recipe is for you. So to get started, we are going to make the sauce. For the sauce, we need 2 tablespoons mayo. I'm using about a teaspoon pepper flakes, the juice of 1 lemon, and I'm getting all of it in except the seeds. We're gonna mix this all together. And guys, taste everything you cook or you're preparing. I noticed that this did a little something, so I'm adding some sriracha to bring up the spiciness a little bit. Guys, that's it. Our base is finished, which is the sauce. Now let's start adding some more stuff. I'm adding celery seed, 2 canned tuna, and this is tuna in water. Guys, I've turned this big potted plant farmer. These chives are coming from my potted plants. And guess what? The greatest part about growing your little herbs, you don't have to buy these things in the supermarket, so it saves you some money. So I'm adding a handful of chives. I don't know if radish and pickles are the same thing, but I didn't have any radish, so I just chopped some pickles. I'm adding some parsley to bring some freshness to this salad, and salt to taste. We're gonna mix this all in to ensure everything is combined, and we're gonna set it aside. For the sandwich, I'm using sourdough bread, and this is sourdough bread with seeds. I've melted some butter, and I'm brushing the butter on one side of the bread. Okay guys, let's start layering this baby up. The buttered side of the bread is placed down on the baking sheet, and I'm adding cheddar cheese. Next, I'm layering my tuna mixture, and I'm just adding enough. I don't want it overflowing. Once that is there, I am going in with some arugula for some something. Guys, when I cook, I always try to incorporate some form of vegetable in my food, so I know I'll get a balanced meal. You know what I'm saying? I'm closing the first layer, and now we're gonna work on the second layer. So I'm putting tuna first this time. And then tomatoes. Then cheese. Then more arugula. And then we're gonna close the sandwich. You see how simple it is? Now I'm gonna toast this bad boy off in the air fryer. Guys, if you don't have air fryer, your oven will work, or you can just put a skillet on the stove top and toast it off there. I don't think I'll be doing it for 15 minutes, but I'll watch and see. Guys, voila! After 8 minutes in the air fryer, this is what it looks like. Our big ship has arrived. It looks so good, and I'm going to cut into it. I know that this tastes good. My God, my mouth is just watered. Guys, I know, right? You can't wait to see what inside look like, and this is taking forever. Guys, the sandwich hold up perfect together. It didn't spill or break apart. I think the cheese, the gooiness of the cheese and the tuna mixture really just held everything together. And guys, this is what it looks like inside. So divine. It sometimes looks are deceiving, so let's see if what we're seeing really tastes that way. Guys, the sandwich shot is shot is shot. It tastes good. It tastes so good. It is amazing. It literally melts in my mouth. And guys, I don't know what I'm gonna cook next, but if you ring that notification bell, you will definitely be notified when I post videos, so you won't miss out on them. So until then, walk good. Peace.